Hello everyone, it's attorney Carly Ibold with the Law Office of Lowe, Eklund, Wakefield, and I've been asked to discuss my experience of becoming a lawyer at Lowe, Eklund, Wakefield. It's not really an exciting story how I came here, but how I got here in general as a lawyer is somewhat interesting. I was in college and studying to become just a business major, getting my associates in business, and I wasn't a really good student in high school. So I decided that if I'm going to spend my parents' money and go to college, I was going to make the most of it. I studied very, very hard. Besides working, I studied. And I took pride in getting very good grades. But once I was ending my time in college and about to obtain my degree, I didn't really know where to go from there. And my counselor in college, I had a discussion with her, and she suggested that maybe I take the LSTAT, which is the entrance exam to get into law school. And I never really thought about being a lawyer before. I thought that was something that people were just born to do, they always knew when they were a child, I want to be a lawyer someday, and that just never really crossed my mind. I just thought it was something that I could never achieve, so I never really thought about it. So I decided to take, which was recommended by my counselor, a How to Succeed in Law School class in college. Yes, they do have these things, and I'm really glad that I took it because like myself, there was other individuals in the class that were thinking about going to law school or were going to go to law school, and it was a way to prepare us for what law school was really like. So it was not a very big class, but we had different assignments. We watched videos, we went to court and did things that an attorney would do. And one of the assignments we had was to review a case study, a scenario, which is much like a law school question. And then we were supposed to answer it with law that was provided to us. So we didn't have to memorize anything. It was just our ability to take this scenario and answer the question using the law given to us. And once we turned it in, it was reviewed by the professor, which was also an attorney, an active attorney. And I got the best grade in the class. Not something that I expected whatsoever. And once I spoke to the professor, she encouraged me that this might be the right path for me. So I took the LSTAT, I applied to law school, I got in, I took the steps necessary to become a lawyer. I graduated and I passed the bar exam the first time. That was very exciting for me. And I worked for a firm for quite a bit of time. And during that time, that's when I decided to do workers' comp and Social Security disability. It appealed to me. I did do personal injury for a little while, but I really wanted to focus on workers' comp and Social Security. It appealed to me because I grew up in a blue-collar family. My father was an electrician. In the trades and everything, I was very comfortable with the people, the understanding that, when you do a job that's physically exertive, that you can get hurt. And I really enjoyed the idea of taking care of those people because I felt that those were my people too. And I was using my gifts to help them in situations that they didn't expect to be in, disabling them from work and not being able to pay their bills. It really hit close to home for me. I love the customer service aspect of being in this business. And so I used that to propel myself into where I am right now, which is being an attorney at this wonderful firm. It's been nothing but a great experience. It really appealed to me, Lowe Eklund, because they care about their clients too. This is not a huge firm where we have 20, 30, 40 lawyers with lots and lots of paralegals and with no connection with the individuals we're representing. That is far from the reality. We actually do care about our clients, and we are there for our clients. So that's just about it. Once again, if you ever need to talk to me about workers' comp or Social Security or just any question in general about this practice and business, you can call me at 440-226-3566. Thank you.